In today's fast-paced world, having a reliable and powerful blender in your kitchen is not just a luxury, but a necessity. Whether you're whipping up a quick smoothie for breakfast, blending ice for a refreshing summer drink, or preparing a nutritious meal for your family, the right blender can make all the difference. Enter this Aeitto Blender, a robust 1500-watt countertop blender designed to handle all your blending needs with ease. This in-depth review will explore the features, performance, and overall value of the Aeitto Blender, helping you determine if it's the right addition to your kitchen arsenal. We'll delve into the blender's key attributes, discuss its pros and cons, and provide insights into how it can elevate your cooking experience. One of the first things you'll notice about the Aeitto Blender is its sleek, modern design. With its silver finish and sturdy build, this blender not only looks good on your countertop, but is also built to last. The blender is designed with a large 68-ounce capacity jar, making it perfect for preparing large quantities of food or drinks in one go. This is particularly useful for families or when entertaining guests, as you can make enough servings without having to blend in batches. The blender jar is made from high-quality BPA-free plastic that is both durable and safe for everyday use. The material is designed to withstand the high speeds and powerful motor of the blender, ensuring it remains intact even when processing tough ingredients like ice and frozen fruits. The blender also features a user-friendly control panel with 3 preset functions: ice crush, smoothie, and juice, allowing you to select the appropriate setting for your needs with the touch of a button. In addition to these presets, the blender offers 7 variable speed settings, giving you complete control over the blending process. This versatility makes it easy to customize the texture and consistency of your blends, whether you're making a chunky salsa or a smooth puree. At the heart of the Aeitto Blender is its powerful 1500-watt motor, capable of reaching peak speeds of up to 25,000 RPM. This industrial-grade motor is designed to handle even the toughest ingredients, ensuring smooth and consistent results every time. Whether you're blending fibrous vegetables, crushing ice, or pulverizing seeds, the Aeitto Blender delivers impressive performance that rivals more expensive models on the market. One of the standout features of this blender is its 8-point 3D blades. These upgraded blades are specifically engineered to break down fruits, vegetables, ice, and seeds more effectively, maximizing nutrient extraction and creating ultra-smooth blends. The unique blade design creates a powerful vortex that pulls ingredients down towards the blades, ensuring even and thorough blending. The combination of a high-speed motor and 3D blades means that you can achieve a smooth texture in a matter of seconds, making it ideal for busy mornings or when you're short on time. Additionally, the blender's variable speed settings allow you to adjust the blending speed to suit different ingredients and recipes, giving you more control over the final outcome. The Aeitto Blender is not just a one-trick pony. Its versatility is one of its biggest strengths, allowing you to tackle a wide range of kitchen tasks with ease. Here's a closer look at some of the blender's key functions. 1. Ice Crush. The Ice Crush preset is perfect for crushing ice into a fine, snow-like consistency, making it ideal for frozen drinks, cocktails, and desserts. The powerful motor and sharp blades make quick work of even the hardest ice cubes, giving you perfectly crushed ice in seconds. 2. Smoothie. The Smoothie preset is designed to create creamy, lump-free smoothies with ease. Whether you're blending soft fruits like bananas and berries, or tougher ingredients like kale and frozen mango, this setting ensures a smooth and consistent blend every time. The large capacity jar allows you to make enough smoothies for the whole family in one go. 3. Juice. The Juice preset is ideal for making fresh, homemade juices from whole fruits and vegetables. The blender's powerful motor extracts the maximum amount of juice while retaining the nutrients and fiber, giving you a healthy and delicious drink. 4. Custom blending. In addition to the preset functions, the Aeitto Blender's 7 speed settings allow you to customize the blending process to suit your needs. Whether you're making a chunky salsa, a smooth soup, or a silky puree, you can easily adjust the speed to achieve the desired texture. This versatility makes the Aeitto Blender a valuable tool for any kitchen, allowing you to experiment with different recipes and create a variety of dishes with ease. The Aeitto Blender is designed with user convenience in mind. The control panel is intuitive and easy to use, with clearly labeled buttons for each preset function. The variable speed dial allows you to adjust the blending speed with precision, giving you full control over the blending process. One of the most convenient features of this blender is its self-cleaning function. After you're done blending, simply add water and a drop of dish soap to the jar and run the blender on high speed for a few seconds. The powerful motor and blades will quickly clean the jar, making cleanup a breeze. The jar and lid are also dishwasher safe, making it easy to keep your blender clean and ready for use. The detachable blades make it easy to clean the blender thoroughly, ensuring that no food particles are left behind. The large capacity jar is designed with a wide opening, making it easy to pour out your blends without spilling. When it comes to kitchen appliances, safety and durability are paramount. The Aeitto Blender is designed with safety features that ensure secure operation. The blender will not start unless the jar is properly locked into place, preventing accidental spills and injuries. The blender is also built to last, with high-quality materials that can withstand regular use. The stainless steel blades are resistant to rust and corrosion, ensuring that they remain sharp and effective even after years of use. The motor is designed to handle tough ingredients without overheating, providing reliable performance for all your blending needs. In addition to its durable construction, the Aeitto Blender comes with a comprehensive warranty, giving you peace of mind with your purchase. This warranty covers any defects in materials or workmanship, ensuring that you're protected in case of any issues with your blender. Why choose the Aeitto Blender? The Aeitto Blender offers a perfect blend of power, versatility, and convenience, making it a great choice for anyone who loves to cook. Here's why this blender stands out from the competition. 1. Powerful motor. The 1500-watt motor is capable of handling even the toughest ingredients, ensuring smooth and consistent results every time. 2. Versatile functions. With 3 preset functions and 7 speed settings, the Aeitto Blender can handle a wide range of tasks, from crushing ice to making smoothies and juices. 3. Large capacity. The 68-ounce jar is perfect for making large batches of food or drinks, making it ideal for families or entertaining guests. 4. Easy to use and clean. The intuitive control panel and self-cleaning function make this blender easy to use and maintain. 5. Durable construction. Built from high-quality materials and backed by a comprehensive warranty, the Aeitto Blender is designed to last. In conclusion, the Aeitto Blender is a powerful and versatile kitchen tool that offers excellent value for money. Whether you're a seasoned chef or a home cook, this blender can help you create delicious and nutritious meals with ease. Its powerful motor, versatile functions, and user-friendly design make it a valuable addition to any kitchen. If you're looking for a blender that can handle all your blending needs, from crushing ice to making smoothies and juices, the Aeitto Blender is an excellent choice. Its large capacity, durable construction, and ease of use make it a practical and reliable tool for everyday use. If you enjoyed this review, be sure to like the video and subscribe to our channel for more in-depth reviews.